When should we service a water heater?
Water heaters generally last between 8 and 12 years. They should be serviced regularly, and all of them are a little bit different, only the same. Some will say service annually, some will say service every 5 years. But you can get a water heater cleaned, quote unquote, cleaned, which is a type of service that will extend the life. And they just unplug it, take all the water out, and they do whatever the technician does in there to get out the gunk. And in some parts of the country, right, we have hard water, which creates a lot of acidity and a lot of buildup. Other areas, water's great. Some people have water softeners that are better or make for a longer life of a water heater. But and just follow the advice of the manufacturer. But if you can't find it, just assume you need to service it every 2 to 3 years, and that may extend the life to that 10 or 12 years versus an 8-year burnout. And as much as water heaters are anymore, that service really is extending the life and the value of that piece of equipment.